Ever wonder how Angular apps switch between pages without reloading? The secret is RouterOutlet, a directive that acts like a magic portal for your components. RouterOutlet is essentially a placeholder in your application where routed components appear. Think of it as an empty picture frame that Angular fills with different components based on the current URL. When a user navigates to a route, Angular dynamically loads the matching component into this outlet. It's the foundation of single-page application navigation, swapping content without full-page reloads. In practice, you place RouterOutlet as a simple tag in your template, usually in your app component. It works hand in hand with your routing configuration where you define which components load for which paths. The router module handles all the heavy lifting, you just provide the container. RouterOutlet supports powerful features like nested routing for child routes, letting you have outlets within outlets for complex layouts. You can also use named outlets for auxiliary routes, displaying multiple independent views simultaneously like a sidebar and main content area. Here's the complete flow. User clicks a link. Angular's router matches the URL to a route configuration, finds the corresponding component, then injects it into the router outlet. The old component is destroyed, the new one renders, and your app feels seamless and fast. Remember, RouterOutlet is your dynamic component container that powers Angular's single-page navigation. Master it, and you've mastered Angular routing. Practice on Interview Mentor to nail your next interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.